Today, we'll be creating a simple 3D model of a part using only a photo, since there's no technical drawing available. We're going to make a box that connects wires to a plastic enclosure. Since we don't have the 3D model of the enclosure itself, we'll first check the dimensions of the box we plan to purchase from the manufacturer's website. Then, we'll create a simple 3D model based on those measurements. This is a great exercise for anyone who needs to quickly visualize a part without a detailed drawing. It's also a useful skill when you're planning layouts or checking fit in assemblies. Because this box is not something we'll be machining or producing ourselves, we don't need extreme detail. Instead, we'll focus on the key features while keeping the model visually close to the real thing. The size of the screws for the lid and the mounting holes for attaching the box to a wall or a machine are not specified. So we'll set these dimensions arbitrarily. This is fine because these details are not critical for our purpose. When modeling from a photo, it's important to at least confirm one real-world measurement so you can maintain proper proportions. This will make the final model look much more accurate. Next, we'll model the lid to resemble the one in the reference photo. After that, we'll assign a material similar to the actual product. Applying realistic materials not only makes your model look better, but also helps others understand your design more clearly. And that's it, we're done. Even without detailed drawings, you can still create accurate and convincing models with just a few measurements and reference images. This approach saves time, keeps your workflow efficient, and still delivers a realistic model ready for use. And that's how you can model a part from just a photo and a few measurements. It's quick, efficient, and still gives you a realistic result that works for your design. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more 3D modeling tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next project.